I'm just going to start. And so we've got quite a few of the old gang here. Some gorilla. There's a gorilla knitter. Look. And Marissa from New York. And Daniela from Germany. And Yannicka is a Kanaka.
From Canada.
And Linda, the crocheter, that wrote back to me and said, I crochet, is that all right?
Is that okay?
And Mariana, another gorilla knitter, because we're a hangover group from Vaucluse House, gorilla knitters. We're sort of, and there's another tiny little thing that Sonia made over there. She's with camera shy.
Kitty.
And the daddy's a very good bloke to bring in. Look, and Velvet comes to a few of our knit-alongs, doesn't she? She's
been
quite
around the block,
she did to the World Knitting Day. So anyway, here we are, the gorilla knitters, and I don't know. Can we see me there?
Can we see you there?
Can you see there?
So let me ask you a few questions.
Okay.
How did the meet-up group start?
Well, Sonia and I went to a group at the Pocket Bar, and I said vagina and wanker in one sentence, and I think I offended the whole group, and I don't think we're welcome back there. And the next day, well, yeah, a few things have happened, so I wanted to get our own group going anyway, the hangover group from the Vaucluse House, and I didn't mean to offend anyone if I did, but yeah, we're a little bit wild, and we wanted to continue our own group, and we've got yarn support, and we've got a...
So why is it important to knit in a group?
Because that's how you learn things. Historically, that's how you learn things, and there's a lot of parents that don't pass it on, and we really want to pass knitting on because it's a beautiful, beautiful pastime, and we love wool. So that's why it's important to knit in a group.
And what's the ideal size for a knitting group?
There's never enough. Any size is good. Any size is nice. 15's good, but 8, 6.
And is the emphasis on what people knit or participation?
Participation, absolutely. But we're going to have a few projects, and we've got charity causes that we knit for too. And so we're very happy with the way the first one has gone. A lot of us are strangers, but we've been brought together by knitting and wool and crochet.
Yes.
Yeah, so
For the lesser among us.
yeah, and a few of us do naughty gorilla knitting, but yeah, anyway, so there we go.
And what's your gorilla knitting tag?
They call me the Master Caster.
Lovely.
Yeah, thanks.
Do you know that Bronwyn came up with Master Caster? I just told her to gave it to you.
Ah,
We
that's
were going to
all
call
right.
Milo that the Master Caster, but Milo's what's Milo? Wolverine.
Wolverine, that's very
And
good.
Velvet's Lulu. Loopy Lulu.
Oh, very good.
And I'm Cutie Pie.
Cutie
Oh, you're
Pie.
Cutie
That's
Pie.
Cutie
Okay,
Pie.
all right. It's all knitting itself together for me in my brain. All right.
My leg's not working now. It's just like, you don't know it. It's like gone. Ow.